हम SRO 202 में थे पहले, फिर कैबिनेट डिसीजन ऑर्डर नंबर के तहत 184/11/2017 Education Minister of this state exempted us from this SRO 202, and from last 3 months the formal order is nowhere. हमारी रिक्वेस्ट ये है FM फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर हसीब द्राबू से और ऑनरेबल CM ऑफ स्टेट महबूबा मुफ्ती जी से. It is our emotional message to them that we are 1100 families. We are working in far-flung areas like Kargil, Ladakh, Odi, Tangdar, and we are getting very meager amount of salary. Some of us are getting 14,700 and some of us are getting 20,100. And we are in gazetted cadre. Pertinent to mention here that Mr. Farooq Ahmad Shah, Secretary Education School, recently conversation with has assured us that formal order will be issued in near future.